The story of Pepsi-Cola begins in the late 19th century with its founder, Caleb Bradham, and continues to the present day as a global beverage brand. In 1893, Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist from New Bern, North Carolina, created a carbonated drink called Brad's Drink at his drugstore. The concoction was a mix of carbonated water, sugar, pepsin, an enzyme, and cola nuts, believed to aid digestion. In 1898, Bradham officially renamed his drink to Pepsi-Cola and registered the name as a trademark. The name Pepsi was derived from the word dyspepsia, a term used to describe indigestion. Pepsi-Cola gained popularity in Bradham's drugstore and local soda fountains. The company grew, and Bradham started establishing franchised bottling operations to expand its reach. During World War I, the price of sugar rose significantly, and Bradham faced financial difficulties. In 1923, he filed for bankruptcy and lost control of the Pepsi-Cola Company. After Bradham's bankruptcy, the Pepsi-Cola Company was purchased by Charles G. Guth, a Wall Street investor who owned the Loft Candy Company. Guth reorganized the company and merged it with his other investments to form PepsiCo. In the 1940s and 1950s, PepsiCo focused on aggressive marketing campaigns to challenge its main competitor, the Coca-Cola Company. The Pepsi Generation campaign in the 1960s targeted the younger generation and contributed to increased sales. In 1965, PepsiCo introduces Diet Pepsi, a sugar-free version of Pepsi-Cola, to cater to health-conscious consumers. In 1970s, PepsiCo expands its product portfolio by acquiring other food and beverage companies, including Frito-Lay, Tropicana, and Quaker Oats. In 1984, PepsiCo signs a highly publicized endorsement deal with pop star Michael Jackson, further boosting the brand's popularity. In 1990s, PepsiCo introduces new product variations such as Cherry Pepsi, Pepsi Twist, and Mountain Dew. In 2001, PepsiCo acquires Quaker Oats, gaining ownership of popular brands like Gatorade and Quaker cereals. In 2006, PepsiCo launches the Refresh Everything campaign, focusing on social responsibility and community involvement. In 2010s, PepsiCo continues to innovate with the introduction of Pepsi Zero Sugar and the expansion of its healthier product offerings. PepsiCo expanded its reach internationally, becoming a global brand. It has sponsored major sports events, such as the Super Bowl and the UEFA Champions League, and partnered with celebrities and musicians for endorsements. In recent years, PepsiCo has focused on developing healthier product options and promoting sustainability. It has introduced Pepsi Zero Sugar and expanded its portfolio of low-calorie and healthier snacks. Today, PepsiCo is one of the world's leading food and beverage companies, offering a wide range of products in more than 200 countries. Pepsi-Cola remains one of its flagship brands, known for its refreshing taste and global recognition. Pepsi is a popular carbonated soft drink that is made using a specific manufacturing process. The main ingredients in Pepsi include carbonated water, high-fructose corn syrup, or sugar, caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, natural flavors, and preservatives. The ingredients are mixed together in specific proportions to create the base syrup for Pepsi. This syrup contains the flavorings, sweeteners, and other components that give Pepsi its taste. Carbonated water is added to the base syrup to create the desired level of carbonation. This step adds the characteristic fizzy texture to the drink. The carbonated Pepsi mixture is then filled into bottles or cans, which are sealed to maintain the carbonation. Before the final products are packaged and distributed, various quality control checks are conducted to ensure that the Pepsi meets the company's standards in terms of taste, appearance, and safety. The bottles or cans of Pepsi are packaged into cases or crates and then shipped to distribution centers, where they are sent to retailers and stores for sale. PepsiCo is also committed to improving the sustainability of its packaging. This includes using materials that are recyclable, reducing the amount of packaging used, and exploring innovative packaging solutions that have a lower environmental impact. Pepsi-Cola has a long-standing rivalry with the Coca-Cola Company, which is often referred to as the Cola Wars. The rivalry between Pepsi and Coca-Cola is one of the most well-known and competitive in the beverage industry. Both companies are major players in the global soft drink market and have been competing for market share and consumer loyalty for decades. Coca-Cola is Pepsi's biggest and most direct competitor. The two companies compete head-to-head in the carbonated soft drinks segment, with Coca-Cola being the market leader globally. PepsiCo has diversified its product portfolio beyond carbonated soft drinks to include snacks, juices, sports drinks, and other non-alcoholic beverages. This diversification allows PepsiCo to compete with a broader range of companies and cater to different consumer preferences.